Okay, so this is the question 3 on logarithm. Okay, so it asks us to solve the equation to find the value of a. Okay, so all this mumbo and jumbo is all about putting this into context of engineering. So all I have to do now is just look at this as a math question. Okay, so my first step is, first of all, I need to remember all the rules that I need. So for instance, remember that if you do log x, y, that is the same as log x plus log y. Okay, so those are your rules. Okay, the other thing I would like to mention is that if you have a 2 log 3, for instance, then you can bring the 2 to become a square, like that. Okay, that is also equivalent. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to manipulate the left-hand side. Okay, and then also move log a to one side as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is going to move log a to the left, and then I write 4 log 2 minus 2 log 3 minus log 4. Happy with that? Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this rule first. Okay, because what bothers me is those coefficients. Try to get rid of all the coefficients. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do log 2 to the power 4, bring the 4 into the power, and then minus log 3 square minus log 4. Happy with that? Okay, so that's rule number 1. One of the rule here I'm going to use. Now I'm just going to tidy this up. Instead of writing 2 to the power 4, what's 2 to the power 4 equal to? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Yes, okay, thank you. That makes it easier. And then 3 squared is 9, and then minus log 4. Okay, so now what I haven't told you is the minus version of this. So let me write out the rule. If you have log x minus a log y, you can do division with that by doing x over y. Okay, but because I have 2 minus sign, I'm going to do this one step at a time. So I'm going to use a brown color to show that this is my next stage. So log that's so do you know I was about to do 16 over 9, but I don't want to do that because I notice 16 over 4 is better. So I'm going to do 16 over 4 and then minus log 9. Can you see what I'm just done? I hope you're clever enough to see that I pushed the minus log 4 in front of the minus log 9. So I do the division first. So 4 going to 16 exactly 4 times. So it's log 4. Okay, now the last bit is not very happy thing because 4 over 9 isn't a very good number. So, well, we still have to do it. So that becomes division again, 4 over 9, isn't it? Let me just double check. Okay, now I have done a little bit of an error here. In fact, it's a major error. I don't know if you notice. I moved the log a to the left. So what I should have done, those should be the plus sign, shouldn't it? That should be the minus sign. Yeah, so, okay. Yes, I hope, yeah, unfortunately I can't continue with this. But I have done a video on this, so you can have a look at that question. So I'm just going to do this again. Yeah, sorry, just go on, Owen.
So you know when you did the log 16 over 4, if you did do it over 9, would it matter?
It wouldn't matter. if you based on my incorrect working out, but if that was right, yeah, it wouldn't matter. It would be the same answer. Okay, but it's just making it convenient for me. So let's just speed this up. So this is going to be log 9 plus log 4 minus log 16. Okay, so that means this is a plus, so I can do log 9 times 4 and then minus log 16. That's better. So log 36 minus log 16. So then they are they're minus, so they are dividing. So 36 over 16. What goes into 36 and 16? 2 or bigger number? 4. So 4 going to 16 4 times. 4 going to 36 is 9. Oh, okay. So 9 over 4. So, and they both sides have log. So what do you do? What's the opposite of log? Well, yeah, natural log. Yeah. So well, basically, don't think about opposite. Just because they both have log, both sides, they cancel out. So A is equal to 9 over 4. And show evidence of the user. Okay, answer is 9 over 4. So you can write it as 2 and 1 over 2 and a quarter. Is there a units for this one? Find the value of A. Doesn't tell me. So okay, so or 2.25. Now in the exam, they accept 9 over 4 as the answer. So if you write 2.25, it's also good. Okay, so that's your 3 marks. Okay. All right.